In this video, I'm going to show you how you can verify your PayPal account. To get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to open PayPal on your browser. But you can also do this on the mobile application. And here, go ahead and click on the wallet section. Now click on link a card or bank. To verify your PayPal account, you'll need to link a card or a bank account to your account. If you want to link a debit or credit card, just go ahead and click on use a credit card. And here you'll need to enter your card number, select your card type, and enter the expiration date and security code of your card. Make sure that your card has the same address with your account. If you want to connect your PayPal account to your bank account, just go ahead and click on link a bank account. In this section, you'll need to enter your bank name, bank code, and account number. You can also link a US bank account. You'll need to select the account type along with the routing number and account number. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to keep updated with our latest videos.